How to make Discord emojis. Discord emojis are custom images that you can use to express yourself or react to messages on Discord, a popular chat platform for gamers and online communities. You can create and upload your own Discord emojis using various tools and methods. Here are some steps to make Discord emojis. Choose an image that you want to use as an emoji. You can use any picture you want, such as a photo, a drawing, a meme, or a GIF. You can also edit or create your own image using software like Photoshop, GIMP, or Canva. Resize and crop your image to fit the Discord emoji requirements. Your image must be a JPEG, PNG, or GIF file, with a size of 256 KB or less, and dimensions of 128 x 128 pixels or less. You can use online tools like Pic Resize, SGIF, or Image Resizer to adjust your image. Give your emoji a name that is at least 2 characters long and contains only alphanumeric characters and underscores. For example, Pepe, Wumpus, or Valorant. This name will be used to type out your emoji in Discord chat. Log into your Discord account and go to a server that allows you to upload custom emojis. You must have the Manage Emojis permission or be the server owner to do this. Go to Server Settings Emoji and click on the Upload Emoji button. Select your image file and enter your emoji name. Click Save and your emoji will be added to the server. To use your emoji in chat, type a colon followed by your emoji name and another colon. For example, Pepe. You can also use the emoji picker to select your emoji from the list. You can use your emoji in any server that you are a member of, as long as the server has the Use External Emojis permission enabled. If you have a Nitro subscription, you can use your emoji in any server, even if they don't have the permission.